Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be sharing what we got in our March Glam Bag Plus. And this is my first time getting the Glam Bag Plus, and it is $25 a month. The Ipsy Glam Bag is just $10 a month. So I upgraded to the Glam Bag Plus, and it has full-size products in it. So I'm going to show you what I got in my box today. Okay, first let's start with the Huda Beauty. It has a value of $27, and it's Obsessions palette in mauve. It's real pretty colors. And it's got some metallics and some mattes. Okay, and that's a $27 value. Next, I got the Real Her I Am Adaptable Matte Liquid Lipstick, and it has a value of $14, and it's a bright red. Then I got the Benefit Cosmetics Dandelion Shy Beam Liquid Highlighter, and it's a $26 value. Then I got the f.a.r.a.h Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer, and I hope I'm saying that correctly, and the value is $45. And the last thing that I received in my Glam Bag Plus are these neat f.a.r.a.h brushes, f.a.r.a.h brushes. It's a 5-piece eye perfection set, a value at $50. So I hope I'm saying the brand correctly. But these are really nice, and it says, "Be beautiful, be you." And so this is what I got in my March Glam Bag Plus, and it's $25 a month. And I hope you like this video. My daughter and I share beauty box reveals, we share DIYs, we share shop with me videos. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, guys. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.